What's going on, everybody? I'm Mike, and this is Smoking Mike's Barbecue. We're going to get into how we made a delicious, beautiful sirloin roast. So come on in and join us for how we made this. All right, so what we have here is a sirloin roast that we're going to put a coating of salt on and then put it in the fridge for 8 to 10 hours. So let's just do that right now. Really nice, coarse. I'm using sea salt today. Sometimes I use kosher, but just so happens I'm all out of sea salt. So we're gonna hit it heavy with the, I'm out of the kosher, so we're gonna hit it heavy with sea salt. And then it's gonna go in the fridge, like I said, for a good 8 to 10 hours. And we're gonna season it up after and get it out on the grill. So, in the fridge, it goes. Well, would you look at that right there? Look at the beautiful red color that adding that salt this morning did to that meat. Been in the fridge for the last 8.5 hours. We are now going to use the Traeger Blackened Saskatchewan rub for this roast. Don't be shy. It's a big piece of meat. You won't over season it. This is a really nice seasoning. It's going to make the meat look really black, really nice. Almost like it's been on the grill before it goes on the grill. Don't forget the sides. Sides are very important. What we're going to do is we're going to put this on and give it, maybe 45 minutes to an hour to penetrate and adhere. Let that seasoning get nicely bonded to the meat. We're gonna cook this today, or I should say grill this today, on that little Louisiana SL300 pellet grill. Fantastic little grill. Been on the channel many a night for many a cook. Does a fantastic job. Gives a great smoke flavor. We're going to use the temp spike to monitor our temperatures. We're going to want to pull this off the grill at around 120 degrees, at which point we'll let it rest and then we'll slice into it. And back to the fridge we go. All right, so after about an hour on the grill at 350 degrees, we pulled this sirloin roast off at 125 degrees, let it carry over a little bit so we got a nice medium rare. Let's slice into it and let's see how we did. I like going right through the center, right into the goodness. Very important to have a sharp knife. That looks pretty perfect to me. Let's just get into it a little deeper here and see what we got. Oh, I can just tell how tender and juicy that's gonna be. Pit master privilege, y'all. Mm-hmm. I ain't mad at that.
That is absolutely fantastic. You've got to try this. Plain and simple, sirloin roast. They're not very expensive. Salt it in the morning, give it 8 hours, hit it with whatever seasoning you like. Low and slow on the grill, like I said, 350 degrees. Take it to an internal temp of 125. Pull it, let it rest. I put a little garlic butter on top of it during the rest period, and this is the result. So from all of us here at Smoky Mike's Barbecue, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe because your support helps the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.